Hey guys, Corey here with Prepare to Thrive. Thanks for tuning in. So Thrive in this video is defined as making an introduction to you guys. I'm going to introduce you to someone. A very special guest on this video today. And that guest is the future you. I want to introduce you to the future you. Think about who that person is. Who is that person? Who's the future you? The person you want to be. The person that you know you need to be. The person that gets it done. The person that's there, that is living the life that you truly want to live. The life that you don't need an alarm clock to wake up every morning. No alarm clock necessary. The person that pops up out of bed and is living the life worth living. Now, I'm not saying the life you have right now isn't worth living. But the future you that is already there, doing what you want to do, that you may not even have the nerve to even be dreaming about what to do. That person. Shake that person's hand, look them in the eye, say it's good to meet you. And you listen to every word that person has to say. Every word that person's telling you, saying, you need to do this. You need to do this now. And you're going to get to where I'm at right now. And we're going to be wearing the same damn pair of shoes. Because guess what? They fit you already. The clothes may or may not fit you. But the shoes fit you. And you're going to put them on one day. You're going to say, I'm there. And I'm walking in those shoes. Walking those steps that you want to take. That you are excited every day to wake up to. So excited, you don't need an alarm clock. You don't. So just want to get the gears turning, guys. Are you living a life right now where you've got to hit that snooze every day? Where you rely on that alarm clock to get up? Or are you living a life that you don't need that alarm clock? That you are so pumped and excited that you wake up early? That you don't need an alarm clock? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.